So what we're going to look at today is we're going to make a just a very simple application where you can press a button to randomize some messages, so simulating a fortune cookie. So all we need to do is we from microbit import all, and then we import random. So the random library enables us to randomize things in a list or choices and so forth. So then we have a list of messages. So these I just got off the internet as messages you can find in a fortune cookie. And then here, while true, so this is our while loop. So if button A is pressed, cookie equals random choice messages. So we're going to store whatever result of a random choice is here inside the word cookie, or the variable cookie, and then display.scroll will display the message that's chosen. Okay, so now if I press the A button, I get my randomized message. So it just scrolls across the screen, quite nice. The only thing you have to wait for is for the message to end, and then you can press the button again. So the idea is that every time you randomize it, you should get a different message, but you still might get the same message one after the other. But that just gives you an idea of how you could use randomization in an application on the microbit. So give one more go, and then you can also use the accelerometer as well to randomize the choices as well. So if we look at that now, so this one here is the same layout, same set of instructions we had, same set of messages we had in the other one, but this time we're using the accelerometer. So this bit here, so if accelerometer was gesture shake, so if you shake the microbit, it will pick that up. The accelerometer will notice that it's been moved, and then what we're going to do is we're going to clear the display and then sleep for 1000 milliseconds, and then it's going to pick one of our answers, one of our statements out, just like in the other one, and then that will scroll across the screen. So if I just flash that to the microbit quickly, and then what we'll do is once it's flashed to it, we can then give it a shake and see if it's working. So we've got our smiley face in there at the moment, so that's its default message, which is this point here. And then when we shake it, we then get a message. So that's another feature that we can use. So we don't always have to use the buttons to make choices. We can use the accelerometer to randomize. So you could do a magic 8 ball as well if you wanted to. So just give you some ideas of different things you could do. Okay, so I hope that's been useful. So that's using the accelerometer, or you could use the button on that program there.